Your AI bot just transferred a customer to a human agent, but the customer has to repeat everything from scratch. That's not a handoff. That's a trust killer. Here's exactly how to set up seamless conversation handoffs in Zendesk, so your agents take over with full context, every time. First, let's clear up the terminology. A handoff moves the conversation from your AI bot to a human agent. A handback returns it to the bot after the agent resolves the issue. Getting both directions right is what makes the whole experience feel smooth. Here's the hidden trap most teams don't notice. After an agent marks a ticket as solved, Zendesk waits 4 full days before closing it. And during that window, customers can't start a new conversation with your bot. That 4-day gap is where frustration builds and churn begins. If you're on Zendesk's Essential AI tier, head to Admin Center, then AI agents, and open messaging behavior. From here, you can control exactly when and how your bot hands off to a live agent. No dialogue builder required. On the advanced tier, you get the dialogue builder, a visual flow editor where you can insert escalation logic anywhere in the bot's conversation. It's more powerful, but it also means more blocks to configure correctly. Inside the dialogue builder, 4 blocks do the heavy lifting. The escalation block transfers to an agent. Availability checks whether agents are online. Conditional branches based on ticket data. And link to connects flows together. Combining these 4 gives you complete control over every handoff scenario. To fix the 4-day timing problem, you have 2 options. Either edit the existing solved to closed automation and reduce the delay to 1 or 4 hours, or create a dedicated trigger that closes tickets faster under specific conditions. Either approach shrinks the gap dramatically. Routing the ticket to the right human team is just as important as the handoff itself. Use the escalation block's group assignment setting and make sure your ticket triggers match the correct tags and custom fields. A billing question should never land in your technical support queue. When the agent picks up the ticket, they should know everything in seconds. Map the bot's collected data to custom ticket fields, pass channel metadata automatically, and always add an internal note with an AI-generated summary before escalating. Agents who have context close tickets faster and frustrate customers less. If the dialogue builder feels like overkill, eesel AI offers a simpler path. You define escalation rules in plain English, things like always escalate billing questions to a human, and eesel handles the logic automatically. You can even simulate it against your real past tickets before going live. 3 issues trip up most teams. If customers can't start new conversations, your solve to close delay is probably too long. Drop it to 1 to 4 hours. If agents ask customers to repeat themselves, map your dialogue data to custom fields and add an internal note. And if tickets land with the wrong team, check your escalation block's group setting. Seamless handoffs aren't just a nice to have. They're the difference between a customer who stays and one who churns. Configure your escalation rules in plain English, simulate against real tickets, and go live in minutes. Visit eesel.ai to get started for free today.